रात तड़पता हूँ, मिलने को तरसता हूँ। दिन रात तड़पता हूँ, मिलने को तरसता हूँ।
बोले मेरा कंगना तेरे बिन सजना नींद नहीं आती। बोले मेरा कंगना तेरे बिन सजना नींद नहीं आती। होके जुदा मुझसे तुझे क्या चैन आता है।
दिन रात तड़पता हूँ, मिलने को तरसता हूँ। दिन रात तड़पता हूँ, मिलने को तरसता हूँ। सपनों की रानी बनी,
तुझसे मिली मैं दीवानी बनी।
तू मेरे सपनों की रानी बनी।
आए सनम प्यार करने के दिन,
हाँ पलकों तले जीने मरने के दिन। की रस्में दुनिया की कसमें तोड़ के आ जाना। दुनिया की रस्में दुनिया की कसमें तोड़ के आ जाना। क्या दूर जाके दिल तेरा मुझे भूल जाता है।
तेरी याद सताती है, मुझे पास बुलाती है। तेरी याद सताती है, मुझे पास बुलाती है।
चेहरे से अब आँख हटती नहीं।
तेरे बिना रात कटती नहीं।
चेहरे से अब आँख हटती नहीं।
तेरे बिना रात कटती नहीं।
कोई भी जाने ना मेरी,
पागल बना देगी चाहत तेरी।
इस बेकरारी में आए मजा।
धक धक धड़के जिया मोर तड़पे दर्द बढ़ा जाए। धक धक धड़के जिया मोर तड़पे दर्द बढ़ा जाए। ये प्यार क्या तुझको भी रातों को जगाता है।
बेताब सा रहता हूँ, हर दर्द में सहता हूँ। बेताब सा रहता हूँ, हर दर्द में सहता हूँ।
बोले मेरा कंगना तेरे बिन सजना नींद नहीं आती। बोले मेरा कंगना तेरे बिन सजना नींद नहीं आती। होके जुदा मुझसे तुझे क्या चैन आता है।
दिन रात तड़पता हूँ, मिलने को तरसता हूँ। दिन रात तड़पता हूँ, मिलने को तरसता हूँ। तुझे ना देखूं तो चैन मुझे आता नहीं है, एक तेरे सिवा कोई और मुझे भाता नहीं है। तुझे ना देखूं तो चैन मुझे आता नहीं है, एक तेरे सिवा कोई और मुझे भाता नहीं है। कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है, कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है।
दिल हो के जुदा तुझसे रह पाता नहीं है, कोई भी मेरे दिल को समझाता नहीं है। कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है, कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है।
तुझे ना देखूं तो चैन मुझे आता नहीं है, एक तेरे सिवा कोई और मुझे भाता नहीं है। गुजरते नहीं ये मेरे दिन, अच्छी ना लगे ये दुनिया तेरे बिन।
मीठी मीठी ठंडी ठंडी आहें भरूं, बैठे बैठे तेरा इंतजार करूं, इंतजार करूं। ऐसे में कोई मुझको बहलाता नहीं है, ऐसे में कोई मुझको बहलाता नहीं है। तुझे ना देखूं तो चैन मुझे आता नहीं है, कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है, कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है।
तुझे ना देखूं तो चैन मुझे आता नहीं है, एक तेरे सिवा कोई और मुझे भाता नहीं है। तेरा ही ख्याल रहे, दर्द सताए बुरा हाल रहे।
ऐसा पहले तो कभी भी ना हुआ, कैसे तूने मेरी धड़कन को छुआ।
पल पल दिल बेकरार रहे, मुझे बस तेरा इंतजार रहे, इंतजार रहे। उलझन में मेरी कोई सुलझाता नहीं है, उलझन ये मेरी कोई सुलझाता नहीं है, एक तेरे सिवा कोई और मुझे भाता नहीं है। कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है, कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है।
दिल हो के जुदा तुझसे रह पाता नहीं है, कोई भी मेरे दिल को समझाता नहीं है। कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है, कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है।
कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है,
कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है। तुझसे पूछूं एक सवाल, बोल जरा क्या है तेरा हाल। तुझसे पूछूं एक सवाल, बोल जरा क्या है तेरा हाल। क्या मेरी तरह तू भी तड़पता है, क्या मेरी तरह तू भी तड़पता है।
अब है नींद किसे, अब है चैन कहाँ, अब है नींद किसे, अब है चैन कहाँ। होश उड़ाए तेरा शबाब, मेरे सवाल का दे तू जवाब। होश उड़ाए तेरा शबाब, मेरे सवाल का दे तू जवाब। क्या तेरा दिल भी ऐसे धड़कता है, क्या तेरा दिल भी ऐसे धड़कता है।
अब है नींद किसे, अब है चैन कहाँ। अब है नींद किसे, अब है चैन कहाँ।
निंदिया चुरा के गई निंदिया दीवानी, जिया ले गए कंवारे कंगना। बिंदिया चुरा के गई निंदिया दीवानी, जिया ले गए कंवारे कंगना। डोली में बिठा के तुझे चुनरी ओढ़ा के मैं तो ले आऊंगा मेरे अंगना। प्यार का फूल दिल में महकता है, प्यार का फूल दिल में महकता है।
अब है नींद किसे, अब है चैन कहाँ। अब है नींद किसे, अब है चैन कहाँ।
किसे, अब है चैन कहाँ, अब है नींद किसे, अब है चैन कहाँ। होश उड़ाए तेरा शबाब, मेरे सवाल का दे तू जवाब। होश उड़ाए तेरा शबाब, मेरे सवाल का दे तू जवाब। क्या तेरा दिल भी ऐसे धड़कता है, क्या तेरा दिल भी ऐसे धड़कता है।
अब है नींद किसे, अब है चैन कहाँ, अब है नींद किसे, अब है चैन कहाँ।
अब है नींद किसे, अब है चैन कहाँ, अब है नींद किसे, अब है चैन कहाँ।
बिन साजन झूला झूलूं, मैं वादा कैसे भूलूं। बिन साजन झूला झूलूं, मैं वादा कैसे भूलूं। जी करता है ये मेरा, मैं उड़ के गगन को छू लूं।
मैं पंख लगा के आया, सावन का मौसम लाया। मैं पंख लगा के आया, सावन का मौसम लाया। प्यार मेरे, मैंने तुझे अपने दिल में बसाया।
बिन साजन झूला झूलूं, मैं वादा कैसे भूलूं। हर पल तेरे प्यार को तरसे मेरा दिल। दूर मेरी आँखों से सपनों की मंजिल। हर पल तेरे प्यार को तरसे मेरा दिल। दूर मेरी आँखों से सपनों की मंजिल। इतनी अकेली हूँ मैं, यादों की सहेली हूँ मैं। अब तो एक पहेली हूँ मैं, आजा।
मैं पंख लगा के आया, सावन का मौसम लाया। मैं पंख लगा के आया, सावन का मौसम लाया। प्यार मेरे, मैंने तुझे अपने दिल में बसाया।
बिन साजन झूला झूलूं, मैं वादा कैसे भूलूं। जी करता है ये मेरा, मैं उड़ के गगन को छू लूं।
मैं पंख लगा के आया, सावन का मौसम लाया। प्यार मेरे, मैंने तुझे अपने दिल में बसाया।
बिन साजन झूला झूलूं, मैं वादा कैसे भूलूं।
साल तक और न अब तड़पा, कहती है ये दूरियां सीने से लग जा।
तेरा रास्ता देखते रहते थे ये नैन, तू ना जाने साजना कैसे कटे दिन रैन।
ओ फूलों पे जवानी आई, रुत क्या सुहानी आई, नई जिंदगानी लाई ना जा।
बिन साजन झूला झूलूं मैं वादा कैसे भूलूं, बिन साजन झूला झूलूं मैं वादा कैसे भूलूं। जी करता है ये मेरा मैं उड़ के गगन को छू लूं।
मैं पंख लगा के आया, सावन का मौसम लाया, प्यार मेरे मैंने तुझे अपने दिल में बसाया।
बिन साजन झूला झूलूं मैं वादा कैसे भूलूं। जी करता है ये मेरा मैं उड़ के गगन को छू लूं।
मैं पंख लगा के आया, सावन का मौसम लाया, प्यार मेरे मैंने तुझे अपने दिल में बसाया।
चोरी नहीं की है तेरे संग यारा, चोरा चोरी नहीं की है।
चैन ले लिया मैंने बेकरार करके, बेकरार करके, बेकरार करके दिल लगा लिया मैंने तुमसे प्यार करके, तुमसे प्यार करके, तुमसे प्यार करके।
कैसा मेरा हाल वे, जीना मरना है सब अब तेरे नाल वे।
तुझको पा लिया तेरा इंतजार करके, इंतजार करके, इंतजार करके दिल लगा लिया मैंने तुमसे प्यार करके, तुमसे प्यार करके, तुमसे प्यार करके।
Hello, and welcome to tonight's show. We have a lot to cover, so let's dive right in. We're going to be discussing something truly terrifying, something that has the potential to change the world as we know it. No, not your dating app messages or the awkwardness of a first date. I'm talking about the Oreshnik IRBM, a new type of missile that has been making headlines around the globe. You might be thinking, John, that sounds like something I'd accidentally order at a Russian restaurant, right? Maybe a dish that comes with a side of confusion. And you wouldn't be entirely wrong. The Oreshnik is indeed Russian, but it's far from a culinary delight. Instead of giving you indigestion, it has the potential to wipe out an entire city. Fun, right? Well, not exactly. The Oreshnik is a new type of missile, and it's a real game changer in the world of military technology. It's been in the news lately, and for good reason. This missile represents a significant leap in military capabilities. This thing is a beast, a true marvel of modern engineering, but also a harbinger of potential destruction. So buckle up, buttercups, because tonight we're diving headfirst into the terrifying world of the Oreshnik IRBM. We'll explore its origins, its capabilities, and what it means for global security. The Oreshnik IRBM, or Intermediate Range Ballistic Missile, is the latest addition to Russia's already formidable arsenal. Developed over several years, this missile is designed to strike targets at a range of up to 5,500 kilometers. To put that into perspective, it means that the Oreshnik can hit targets across Europe, parts of Asia, and even reach the edges of North Africa. This range makes it a significant threat to many nations. Military experts have been analyzing the Oreshnik's capabilities, and the consensus is clear. This missile is a game changer. Its speed, accuracy, and destructive power make it a formidable weapon. The Oreshnik is equipped with advanced guidance systems that allow it to hit targets with pinpoint accuracy. This means that it can be used to strike critical infrastructure, military bases, and even densely populated urban areas. The development of the Oreshnik has also raised significant concerns among world leaders. Diplomatic efforts are underway to address the potential threat posed by this missile, but the situation remains tense. Citizens around the world are also voicing their concerns. Protests and peace rallies have been organized in many countries, calling for disarmament and a reduction in global tensions. Meanwhile, military forces are on high alert. Drills and preparations are being conducted to ensure readiness in the event of a conflict involving the Oreshnik. On the technological front, scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to develop countermeasures and defense systems that can neutralize the threat posed by the Oreshnik. As we continue to monitor this developing story, one thing is clear: the Oreshnik IRBM represents a new era of warfare. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for joining us tonight. Good night. Okay, let's break this down. IRBM stands for Intermediate Range Ballistic Missile. Think of it like a regular ballistic missile, but, you know, the Oreshnik specifically has a range of roughly 3,000 miles. To put that in perspective, that's like throwing a paper airplane from New York and having it land in, well, Moscow. Not so funny now, is it? What makes the Oreshnik so special, you ask? Well, besides its charming name, which literally translates to nutcracker, it's incredibly accurate, like scarily accurate. And did I mention it's nuclear capable? Because of course it is. Now let's talk about how this thing actually works. The Oreshnik missile system is a marvel of modern military engineering, designed to be both powerful and elusive. The Oreshnik is a mobile system. Unlike traditional missile systems that are fixed in one location, the Oreshnik can be transported to various locations, making it a versatile asset in any military operation. That means it's not stuck in some underground silo. Traditional missile silos are stationary and can be targeted once their location is known. The Oreshnik, however, can be moved to avoid detection. It can be moved around on a giant truck, making it much harder to track and target. This mobility is a game changer in modern warfare, allowing the missile system to be deployed quickly and efficiently. Think of it like trying to swat a fly that's riding on the back of a very fast, very angry bear. Not easy, right? The Oreshnik's mobility makes it a formidable opponent, capable of striking from unexpected locations. Before launch, the missile needs to be prepped. This preparation involves a series of complex procedures to ensure the missile is ready for launch. This involves a whole lot of technical jargon that would make your head spin. Engineers and technicians work meticulously to check and double-check every component of the missile system. Just trust me, it's complicated. The level of precision required is immense, and any mistake could have catastrophic consequences, and probably involves a lot of shouting in Russian. The coordination between different teams is crucial, and clear communication is essential to ensure everything goes smoothly. The command center is a hive of activity, with personnel working tirelessly to prepare for the launch. As the countdown to launch begins, the tension in the air is palpable. Every second counts, and the team must work in perfect harmony to ensure the missile is launched successfully. And then, with a roar, the missile is launched. The culmination of all the hard work and preparation, the missile soars into the sky, ready to reach its target. The successful launch is a testament to the skill and dedication of everyone involved. It's a moment of triumph, but also a reminder of the immense responsibility that comes with handling such powerful technology. After the launch, the missile system is transported back and the process begins anew. The cycle of preparation, launch, and recovery is a continuous one, requiring constant vigilance and expertise. The work never stops, and the team remains ever vigilant, ready to respond to any threat at a moment's notice. The Oreshnik missile system is a powerful tool, but it is the people behind it who make it truly formidable. Once the missile is good to go, it's time for the main event launch. The Oreshnik uses a two-stage, solid-fueled rocket motor. In layman's terms, that means it goes up really fast. Like, so fast it could make a cheetah question its life choices. The first stage gets the missile off the ground and up to speed. Then, like a bad Tinder date, it detaches and falls away, leaving the second stage to carry on the journey. Section 5, Reaching for the Sky. The second stage is where things get really interesting. This is where the Oreshnik shows off its fancy guidance system. It uses a combination of inertial navigation and satellite guidance to make sure it hits its target. And when I say hits its target, I mean it. This thing is accurate to within a few meters. That's like throwing a dart from space and hitting a bullseye on a dartboard that's also in space. Once the missile reaches its target, well, let's just say it ruins everyone's day. Section 6, Deployment History and Current Status. So when did this technological terror first rear its ugly head? The Oreshnik IRBM, a name that sends shivers down the spine of many, has a rather intriguing and somewhat alarming history. The Oreshnik was first deployed in late 2023, much to the chagrin of, well, everyone who isn't a fan of potential nuclear annihilation. This deployment marked a significant shift in global military dynamics, as nations scrambled to reassess their defense strategies. Its existence was a closely guarded secret, but like a Kardashian pregnancy, it wasn't long before the news leaked. The initial leak came from an anonymous source within the military, causing a media frenzy and widespread public concern. Currently, the Oreshnik is believed to be operational, but its exact numbers are unknown. Speculations abound, with some experts suggesting there could be dozens, if not hundreds, of these missiles ready to launch at a moment's notice. The uncertainty surrounding the exact number only adds to the tension and fear, which is probably for the best, because knowing there are dozens of these things pointed at you wouldn't exactly make for a restful night's sleep. The psychological impact of living under the shadow of such a threat cannot be overstated. People in affected regions often report heightened anxiety and a pervasive sense of dread. International leaders have been in constant dialogue, attempting to negotiate terms and agreements to prevent any potential escalation. These diplomatic efforts are crucial in maintaining a fragile peace, but the presence of the Oreshnik looms large over every discussion. Military forces around the world have also ramped up their drills and exercises, preparing for any eventuality. The Oreshnik's deployment has led to an arms race of sorts, with nations investing heavily in both offensive and defensive capabilities. Meanwhile, scientists and engineers continue to work on advancements in missile technology, both to improve existing systems and to develop countermeasures. The race for technological superiority is relentless, with each side striving to outdo the other. public opinion has been divided, with many people taking to the streets in protest. Demonstrations against the deployment of the Oreshnik have been seen in numerous cities, as citizens demand transparency and a move towards disarmament. Media coverage has been extensive, with news outlets dedicating significant airtime to the Oreshnik and its implications. Analysts and experts are frequently brought in to discuss the potential consequences and the steps that can be taken to mitigate the risks. Despite the looming threat, life goes on. In many parts of the world, people continue with their daily routines, finding solace in the small moments of normalcy. The hope is that through continued dialogue and diplomacy, a peaceful resolution can be achieved, and the shadow of the Oreshnik can be lifted. As the sun sets on another day, the world watches and waits, hoping for a future where the threat of the Oreshnik is nothing more than a distant memory. Until then, vigilance and hope remain our greatest allies. Section 7. A cut above the rest. Now you might be wondering, how does the Oreshnik stack up against other IRBMs? Well, it's like comparing a Tesla to a horse-drawn carriage. Sure, they both technically get you from point A to point B, but one is significantly more impressive. Compared to older systems like China's DF series, or even America's own Pershing II, the Oreshnik is faster, more accurate, and much more mobile. It's basically the Beyoncé of ballistic missiles. Section 8. The future of Oreshnik. So, what's next for the Oreshnik? Well, knowing those wacky Russians, they're probably already working on ways to make it even more terrifying. We're talking hypersonic capabilities, advanced decoys to fool missile defenses, and maybe even a built-in espresso machine. Because why not? The development and deployment of the Oreshnik represent a significant escalation in the global arms race. It's a stark reminder that even in the 21st century, we're still capable of blowing ourselves to smithereens. Fun times. Section 9. Conclusion: A new world order. The Oreshnik IRBM is a game changer, there's no doubt about it. It's a terrifying weapon with the potential to reshape the geopolitical landscape. And as much as I'd like to end this on a hopeful note, the truth is, things are probably going to get a lot worse before they get better. So, sleep tight, everyone.